Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming who owns the track and why that matters. Without permission, you risk takedowns or bans. Once you know the owner, contact them with a concise request specifying geometry-use, duration, and distribution. Make sure to ask for written permission or a simple sync license. This documents your right to use the song. If licensing is unavailable or costly, you can pivot to royalty-free music or tracks under Creative Commons that permit game use, which saves time and legal hassle. Once you have permission, obtain the correct file and license terms so you know what you can legally do. Download a high-quality WAV or FLAC and convert to the format Geometry Dash supports if needed. Converting preserves sound fidelity and avoids artifacts. Make sure to trim and normalize levels so gameplay syncs reliably with obstacles. Also keep the license text and metadata in a project folder. You'll need them if a platform or the rights holder later asks for proof. You now upload the approved audio following Geometry Dash's accepted paths, typically Newgrounds or the game's custom audio workflow, and attach the license or credit in the level description so moderators can verify usage. Then test the level on multiple devices to ensure sync and performance remain intact. Make sure to watch for compression or mismatch. If a claim or takedown appears, respond quickly with your written license and explain where it applies. Troubleshooting tip: if audio gets stripped, resubmit with a clear link to the permission.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.